These rich, fudgy chocolate cupcakes are completely dairy-free, egg-free, and nut-free, and they pipe up just like the real thing. A quick vegan buttermilk, just oat milk and a splash of apple cider vinegar, give it a whisk. Then goes the applesauce, which replaces your eggs, then some oil and vanilla, whisk everything together until it's completely smooth. Now the dry ingredients go into a large bowl. We've got flour, cornstarch, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Take your time in whisking this together. You want to break up all those lumps in the cocoa powder because that will mean a smooth batter. Pour the wet into the dry and mix gently. We're trying not to overwork the gluten here. Stop while there's still a few dry streaks. The hot liquid is going in next, and it will bring everything together. We're going to add the hot water, or you can use coffee if you'd like a deeper chocolate flavor, and we're just going to mix the batter until it's smooth. It's noticeably thinner than a vanilla batter, and that's totally correct. This is what gives it that nice fudgy crumb. Line your muffin tin and fill each cup just about 2/3 full. Any more and they'll overflow instead of doming up nicely. These bake at 350 for 20 to 22 minutes and should spring back when you touch the centers of them. While these bake and cool, we're going to make a frosting with some vegan butter. We're going to beat it until it's light and fluffy before anything else goes in. This step makes a difference between stiff frosting and one that pipes beautifully. Add the powdered sugar in, then the cocoa powder. I'm sifting mine through a small sieve to make sure that there's no lumps. Add the oat milk, vanilla, and a pinch of salt and beat it until it's silky smooth. I'm using a 1B tip here for the big classic swirls. The easiest way to load a piping bag without making a big mess is to drop it into a tall glass, fold the edges over the rim, and spoon the frosting straight in, twist it shut, and you're ready to pipe. No matter what tip you use or how you swirl it, these are going to taste incredible. And if you or someone you love deals with food allergies, I really hope this gives you that dessert moment you deserve, because everyone should get to enjoy a really good chocolate cupcake.